Tomorrow we're talking about highs in the 40s. We'll make it into the 50s as we head towards the weekend, but still below average by a decent margin, Mike.
Yeah, listen, those 60s are nowhere to be found at this point, are they? We take a look at that bitter cold that's been putting a lot of activities on hold, right? But not emergency services. Doesn't matter the weather, you got to fight fires, right? That's what they were doing in Worcester County, Massachusetts, where temperatures were down into the teens. You had to put some water on the fire, and then that water and temperatures that cold creates ice on everything, the power lines, satellite dish there, the road. They're doing the same in Jersey City, New Jersey, where a fire destroyed a home there, and then after the firefighters were there putting out the fire, then they had to worry about the slick roads as a result of all the water they put on it, so that they put down ice and or sand and salt and kitty litter, trying to keep traction. Now that cold in the Northeast stays with us, unfortunately. Here's a look at the areas where we've got temperatures right now below 32 degrees, similar to yesterday. Maybe not as far south as yesterday at this point, but in the Northeast, we're locked in, okay? You take a look around the lakes, temperatures right now in the teens and 20s, feels a lot more like January than November.